Dear students, welcome to the third week of the course on Information Sources, Systems and Services. Last week, you were introduced to the major categories of information sources, that is, the documentary, non-documentary and current sources of information. This week, you will learn about the reference sources, their need, categories, and difference between reference source and information source. A reference source is basically a source which is only referred to for a particular piece of knowledge or information. An information source, on the other hand, is used for accessing information on a particular subject area, and for a particular query, several information sources may be required. Besides knowing about the evaluation criteria of reference sources, we will also identify the electronic version of various reference sources available online. A reference source provides answers to brief facts, statistical information, background information, or directs the searcher to additional information source. The reference librarians usually provide reference services on the basis of reference sources in their collection. Reference sources may be books, serials, online databases, or internet. Reference books include dictionaries, directories, encyclopedias, handbooks, manuals, yearbooks, almanacs, guides, directories, biographical or geographical sources. In addition to the above, you will also learn about general evaluation criteria to be applied while selecting a reference source for the library. This includes checking scope and purpose, authority, currency, arrangement, format, cost, and suitability of the reference source for the potential library users. You will also learn about various electronic reference sources and their advantages.